everyone. Point of Sale Invoice Detail App helps user to view list of all invoices that are associated with the customers directly from the running point of sale session. Let's get into a point of sale now. Let's open a new session. In point of sale customer, user can click on a view invoice button. Then we can view a list of all the invoices that are associated with the customers directly from the running point of sale session. So when I click on that particular invoice, user can view the invoice details like invoice name, invoice date, customer and also the product details. And from here we can see a close option to close this invoice details pop-up. So in this way we can make use of this point of sale invoice detail module to view all the invoices for the particular customer. Thank you for watching.